Hey guys, Kawa here, and I'm here at Laser Shot, standing with Doug Goodall, who is in commercial sales. Doug is going to talk to us about American Singles trap shooting, the new program that they have here, and the inert shotgun that we're about to use. Doug?
So, Kawa, like you just said, this is our newest release. It is a great trap shooting title. It's probably one of the most realistic titles I've seen as far as trap shooting goes. Trap shooting is a big sport up in the Midwest primarily. Wintertime, it's very tough to get out and do that kind of training. So this is a great way to do it. What we're going to be shooting with today is our inert 870 shotgun. Simple trigger pull. It's a great training aid. You can use your own over-under shotgun with the use of a laser insert, which is a great thing to do.
Very cool.
As well. So let's go ahead and get started. For right now, we're just going to go ahead and go with one shooter.
All right.
Go ahead and click next. This screen gives you the option to change as many rounds as you want. So in a typical trap shooting match, there are 5 different stations. So as you progress, if you do 5 rounds, you'll progress from one station on to the next. We'll do 5 plays per round. You can do from 1 up to 5.
Nice.
As far as training, it's a nice thing. You're able to change the speed. You can kind of slow it down to get started, as well as change the size of the clay. For right now, we're just going to go ahead and leave it on the standard settings.
So do these clays actually move at 42 miles an hour?
Correct. Yeah. Wow. So that's the standard speed in a trap team, or a trap tournament rather, is going to be 42 miles an hour. We can drop it down. I think it goes down to 32, and I think you can actually speed it up as well.
Cool.
So go ahead, shooter 1. Go ahead and zero your firearm.
Okay.
All right. Now you're zeroed. Go ahead and shoot next. So on this screen, you're able to change your choke settings. People have different preferences. I prefer the improved cylinder. So if you go ahead and shoot the arrow on the right of there, right there. So that down there, it shows you what your spread's going to be at different yardage. Point of impact is another thing. Some people like to adjust. Some people have a different sight picture. Some people might shoot high, shoot low. Here we're going to just leave it right on 50-50, so you're kind of shooting right dead center.
Okay.
Go ahead and shoot next.
I've never done this before, Doug.
Well,
I'm just saying, never.
This is a great way to practice.
I've never done trap shooting ever in my life. So this is going to be interesting.
So since you've never done it before, most trap shooting tournaments, you get 2 shots per clay bird.
Okay.
Here you're going to go ahead and shoot to release the clay.
Okay.
You're going to see it come out from the trap house right in front of us.
Okay.
Go ahead and take your shots.
All right.
Never done this before.
Yeah. Lucky.
So another nice feature this software has, it actually shows you where your shot pattern hit up on the screen. If it shows up green, that's your hit. If it shows up red, you must have missed. And then it gives you kind of a close-up view as far as where in that pattern you actually hit that target.
Okay, very cool.
So go on to the next round, the next bird.
So the first was a miss.
Correct.
Okay, and it's going to show me my hit.
Yep.
Nice. That one was moving. I gotta get used to these leads.
There you go. 4 to 5 is not bad.
Yeah, no, that's fun, man. It's kind of cool to, especially with this curve screen, right? Because it gives me a more kind of dynamic feel as if I'm actually at this range. But then, like, leading that thing is interesting. It's definitely something you got to get used to. Plus, since it's inert, obviously you got to get used to that as well.
Yeah.
Obviously, you don't have that read. All right, so that's it. Well, I could have done better, I guess. But honestly, this is great. Just like anything, when it comes to fundamentals, if this is what you're into, guys, then this is a great way to work on those fundamentals that you can see. I mean, I'm not a trap shooter, but I even had trouble with the tracking and then also the compensating for the over-under on this thing. So obviously a very good drill, really cool software. And where can people find the software, Doug?
Just go ahead and visit lasersshot.com. Feel free to reach out to us with via email or phone number and give us a call.
Okay, great. All right, guys, so I'm Kawa. This is Doug here at Laser Shot. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys next time.